Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. CEO Alex and I'm back with another video just to show you guys how to use the holy indicator. Well, actually we're doing live trading using the holy indicator. Yesterday I've uploaded a video to show you how it works, and today I'm going to show you four four or five live trades of me using the live indicator. Some of it I will speed up a little bit because the trades take a while, but yeah, I'll definitely speed it up. Now, once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. I want to pause it. I want to pause the video, guys, because I wanted to let you guys know that at this part, if you realize that the stop loss automatically came in, I didn't put any stop loss. That's because I'm trailing my stop loss. So I would right click the position and select trail stop and select the amount of points, and I'm trailing this trade by 50 points. So you're seeing it automatically going up, and I'm pointing that out so you guys can see it. That's how you actually do a risk-free trade, especially when you're scalping with the indicator. Right here, as you can see, the yellow dot is the buy signal. So the yellow dot is buy signal and it is in the red zone. So that is the confirmation that we're looking for a buy. At the top, you see that the trade was in the red to blue area, and the yellow circle came up. That's the yellow signal, and it collapsed. So that's the reason why we're looking for just a quick scalp on this gold trade.